Here's how some dropshipping stores are making a fortune, and I'm here to tell you on how they're going to be doing that. So, if you want to go ahead and make a fortune on your dropshipping store, you're going to want to watch this video fully till the end because this person, what he does is he takes products that aren't too expensive, like around $1 to $3 or maybe $4 to $6, and then he sells them for an up bulk price where he adds higher shipping rates and people actually go ahead and buy it. Okay, so that generates a lot of profit for you, and a lot of dropshipping stores are doing this nowadays. So here is how you're going to be doing it for yourself. Now, to start things off, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you have a Shopify store or any other dropshipping store. In that case, I just prefer Shopify because it's one of the best dropshipping stores out there. Now, moving on, we come over to this forum on Black Hat World where this person says, first of all, nothing new here. You have probably seen this old strategy, okay? It was used several years ago, and people using a sales tracker noticed that some stores are basically just going ahead and getting thousands of monthly sales, but just by using the good old just pay shipping. Okay, so basically what people are going to be doing is they put up a product, like as you can see this product, for practically $0, and you're going to give them the price of the shipping. Okay, that is it. That is how you are going to be generating money. And obviously, you can go a little up for profit in the shipping price. So, how does this strategy work? You're basically giving free products, but ultimately, you are going to charge the value of the product through shipping costs. So, this applies to mainly to very cheap products, 1 to 3, 8 to 14. Now, there are stores which go pretty high up to $20, but, that's something that is a bit unrealistic and people might not go for it, but that obviously totally depends on your marketing and how you choose to sell it. Now, you must be thinking, who is stupid enough to fall for this? Well, the point of the whole strategy is pretty simple. You're going to make the customer think that they're getting something and they're being smart by buying it. So your creativity is the limit to justify this free product. So what you can do is basically, once you have your Shopify store ready up or any dropshipping store in that fact, you're going to basically connect a dropshipping provider to it. Okay. So I would personally recommend going with AliExpress. Okay. And you can connect AliExpress through Deezers in the easiest and most simplest way, which I'm going to be showing you in a few seconds. But yeah, once you connect a dropshipping store for yourself, straight away from there, what you can do is you can start adding products. So let's say I'm here in AliExpress. Now, in AliExpress, what you can moreover do is search for a product that comes in the $1 to $3 price range. So as we can see, we have this product, which is, somewhat of a 3D printer. Then we have these watches. Then, you could go with any of the products that come in the correct price range. Or if you want to search for a product, what you can do is, let's say I'm going to go over to, let's say, home appliances. Okay, let's go with that. Let's go with a niche. Okay, so let's say the niche is home appliances right now. And once you go over with your niche, what you're going to be doing is you're going to check in the top selling. So you have a portable home mini automatic floor robot vacuum cleaner. Okay, so this is in my price range. This portable humidifier air conditioner is in my price range, and a whole lot more. So I can see tons and tons of these different products. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take these products that are around $1 to $3, and you're going to go over to your Shopify store, add them as a drop shipped product, then basically give them away for free. You're going to tell the people that, hey, this is totally free for your for your products. Only thing you're going to need to do is just pay the shipping. And in the shipping, what you're going to be doing is you're going to add the main price up. Okay, so basically the shipping is generally around, I guess, $6 to $7, but you can add $3 to $4 above it to ask the people for the main price. Okay, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Same you can do with Amazon. Just search for products that are good in niche, and add the main standing point of it. So as you can see, this person has also given us some creative strategies that they found to justify a free product and try to convince the customer to pay the amount thinking it's the price of shipping. So first of all, he says basic. The simplest method is precisely to say that the store is having a big liquidation and needs to burn stock. It's not very appealing nor creative, but it is what many people do. So what you're going to be doing is you can leave this drop down over your store. by simply adding an edit into it where you can let people know that, hey, okay, so our store is going through something big. Okay, and we need to burn our stock as quick as possible. So we're basically selling it for free. All you're going to need to do is pay for the shipping. Now, some people actually might get convinced from it. So you can use that marketing standpoint to sell your products. And moving on, you can also go with store anniversary. So you can, tell them that, hey, our store is having their 10th or 5th anniversary, and in that joy, we're giving some products out for free. Okay, so to honor our store's 1 year anniversary, we're offering products for a limited time. They usually try to appeal by telling the customer that the price will return to the normal value in the next few hours or days. Then you could say we're closing the stores, so we're giving the products away for free, just pay for the shipping. You could be a guinea pig as well. So this works especially with modern products and electronic devices. So you can say you have created a new technology and need 100 people to test it free of charge. The person only has to pay the shipping. That sounded like genius to me. Okay, this basically gets a lot of sales. So you could go with this as well as the guinea pig. Then you have beta testers where you can ask people to volunteer for beta testing, send them the product, and ask them for the shipping prices. So just like this, you can actually use these different methods to build your fortune. And obviously, once you started selling your products, from there on out, what is going to be happening is you are going to have a good flow of traffic. And once a good flow of traffic is done, you can start your marketing through your SEO. And once you do that, obviously that will lead to more people visiting your Shopify store. Okay, that is basically how the whole seller works on these dropshipping stores. And obviously, all the products that you're going to be getting are going to be drop shipped from AliExpress or any other provider. I would personally prefer AliExpress because it has good price products and it has very, I'd say, legitimate schemes. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Shopify and click on Add Apps. Now, once you click on Add Apps, you're going to go over to your Shopify App Store. And once we're off into our Shopify App Store, what you're going to do over here is you're going to search up for Deezers. So once we search up Deezers, right about here, what's going to be happening is you're going to go ahead and write Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. It's right over here. So once you're over here, you're simply going to click on Install on Deezers. And the best part about Deezers is that Deezers is totally free. And the best part about a totally free dropshipping provider is that you can, get an endless venture of products and, different dropshipping methods. So once you are over here, you're going to click on install and you're pretty much good to go. From there on out, you can start importing products into your store and create a good store. Now, these are the methods on basically, creating a good fortune for yourself when it comes to drop shipping. Now, if you want to get a better and clearer idea of how you're going to want to do this, you can come over to Black Hat World, okay, and you can check this person's, forum out where you can get more tips and tricks on how you're going to want to do what you want to do, okay? And you can check this person's tips and tricks out as well. And do make sure to follow them because trust me, this is a huge money cow. Okay. You can get so much cash out of this that, you're going to be set to go when it comes to your dropshipping ventures. So do make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know down in the comments below if you choose to work on this niche. And if you do, which one of these methods that I told you from these 5 are you going to be following? Till then, that is all from me. Again, thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I will be seeing you all in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. Goodbye.